Namaste, this is Dr. Karishma Ahuja. Today let's take up some doubts, some thoughts of confusion that may actually affect the way we are cleaning, which may actually affect this whole process of Ho'oponopono that we are trying to adopt. If you've been doing the Ho'oponopono process, then let's quickly remind ourselves what are the three most important principles of the process and the philosophy. Number one, it's about letting go. It's about releasing. What are we trying to release? Errors that we may have committed in our thoughts, our feelings, our actions. Why? Because everything that has happened, that we have experienced, observed, witnessed, is all inside us, in our subconscious mind. Principle number two, all of this that is in the subconscious mind is our responsibility to clean. Why? Because we have to take responsibility. Nobody else can get into our mind and do the cleaning for us. This principle suggests that whatever is happening in our life is only happening so that we can take this lesson of cleaning our own mind, of releasing these past memories, releasing them and thus making space for new things to come into our life, making space for what we call as inspiration. The third important principle of the Ho'oponopono process is it's always about looking within and taking responsibility with love. If there is no transformation in your heart as you're doing the cleaning process, then maybe we are not doing it right. Because after all, the Ho'oponopono process is meant to transform us, cleanse us. So this brings us to some important obstacles, some important things that we have to consider which may be coming in the way of our Ho'oponopono cleaning. Number one, a very common thought that most of us may be getting is, do I have to do it for myself? Do I direct the cleaning to somebody else? No, my dear friends. Please understand that memories are going on within you. Yes, we share memories with others, which is why they have come into our life. However, they have only come into our lives to remind us that we have the cleaning to do inside our own minds. You don't need to direct it to somebody else. You just need to do it for yourself. The reason why I'm taking up this point is there's so much confusion. Many people say, I don't know if I'm doing it right. Don't keep such doubts. Please remember and remind yourself, you are cleaning your own mind, and that is why you have to direct all the cleaning to your own subconscious mind. The second thought or confusion when it comes to Ho'oponopono practice is, how long do I have to do it? Please understand, Ho'oponopono is about acknowledging we have memories and we have to release them. We cannot put pressure on our subconscious mind. Let's release all of them today. You see, we don't know how many of these memories relating to certain experiences are there in our mind. So the best way to really approach the Ho'oponopono cleaning and process is to continue to clean without bothering about how much time I have to clean. This is one question a lot of you ask. Ma'am, for how long do we have to do the cleaning? A simple answer and a short answer is lifelong. Cleaning is not meant to gain something. Although we do understand as we clean, we make space for something better. But that's not why we are doing the cleaning. We are doing the cleaning because we understand only when we cleanse our energy can we really experience true joy, happiness and peace in life. So please remove this confusion. Don't think about these thoughts. How long I have to clean? No, this is a lifelong process. Do you ask how long I have to eat? How long I have to clean my house? Don't we do it on a daily basis? Aren't we cleaning our homes on a daily basis? Don't we organize our things on a daily basis? We go to work on a daily basis, right? In the same manner, cleaning is a lifelong process. And when it comes to cleaning for specific problems, you will get the answer if you have to clean on that specific issue or you have to stop. You have to follow your guidance, my dear friends. If you are cleaning on a specific emotion, how do you know if you are done with that cleaning? Your answer lies in how you are feeling. You will get a subtle feeling within you that you are done with this and maybe you can move on to cleaning something else. Remember, it's all about going within, acknowledging your feelings, and constantly taking feedback from your own mind. The next important confusion or thought which we have to do away when it comes to Ho'oponopono process and cleaning is results. This is often asked why the result is not coming, or why am I not seeing what I want in spite of my cleaning? Please understand, you cannot dictate results when you're doing Ho'oponopono cleaning. Ho'oponopono is about realizing and acknowledging that letting go is the key to freeing your subconscious mind from these inner enemies called memories. So, while you're doing your cleaning, please understand you are not setting intentions as to how something should happen in your life. Never ever worry about how something should happen. So many of us get stuck at this point. We feel we have to tell the universe how something should happen. No. If you have a desire, you have an intention. Place it at the feet of the universe. Place it at the feet of the divine and simply focus on how you can improve your feelings, your energy and your vibration. Even if you are using the law of attraction and trying to manifest something using law of attraction techniques, by all means you can continue doing them. But when you are cleaning, don't think about how fast something can come or how exactly something has to happen. No, even in the law of attraction and vibration, I always tell my students, how is not our domain. It is only the domain of the universe. Let the universe choose how something should happen to you. You can simply place your desire at the feet of the universe, but don't try to control things. And Ho'oponopono is a beautiful process which teaches us how we can let go of this feeling of wanting control. Don't control, clean. Clean on your feelings of desperation, clean on your feelings of unworthiness, clean on your feelings of doubt, because these are the feelings which are actually delaying our happiness and our peace in our lives. Another important confusion or thought is, what if something goes wrong when I'm doing the cleaning? Please understand, my dear friends, when you clean your home, aren't you cleaning because you feel it's a necessity? You have to clean. In the same manner, there is no reason for us to be fearful about practicing Ho'oponopono. You see, Ho'oponopono is about trusting. The divine knows better than us. The divine knows how to set us free. And all we are doing is trying to convince the subconscious mind to join us so that whatever needs to go out, goes out. So don't entertain these thoughts of fear, something will go wrong when I am cleaning. How will something go wrong? This is a process of simply cleaning. Cleaning can only bring better things in our lives. It is basically a process that allows us to complete this release, to remove a blockage that is existing within us, that is affecting our results today. So don't worry. Only when we don't trust the divine and the process do we feel something is going to go wrong. Please understand, the basis of the Ho'oponopono process is that the divine can set us free, can bring us beautiful experiences in our lives. All we have to do is to undertake this process of cleaning, to take responsibility of setting these memories free so that a vacuum is created for us to receive divine inspiration. That means you get ideas, thoughts, feelings that can actually lead you to the right path. This is just like Lord Krishna explaining to Arjuna in the Gita that if you trust the divine, if you surrender to God, He will guide you. He knows what is the shortest way to get to your destination. He knows what is the right way to get to your destination. He will make you avoid many wrong roads in the process. So please remember, Ho'oponopono is a process that also teaches us to trust, go with the flow. If your mind has too many doubts, start cleaning also on this feeling of doubt, and you will soon realize you're getting many answers in the process of your cleaning. You will start feeling more confident, and you will also realize the way you are yourself approaching things in your life, the way you are dealing with situations in your life is coming from a sense of power, coming from a sense of strength, not from a sense of being a victim to life and situations. Finally, remember, when you are really practicing Ho'oponopono and doing the process correctly, you will feel it. You will start feeling more peaceful, more at ease. So if you're not feeling that peace and that sense of ease, probably your mind is going to other directions. Some of the ones which I have mentioned today, probably you're thinking of those things and that is affecting your clinic. So these are simple things and thoughts which are actually causing confusion, and I thought I will take it up in this video for you. Lots more videos on Ho'oponopono coming up soon. If you enjoyed this video, then do share it with others. Subscribe to this channel. Click the bell icon to get timely updates about all our videos. This is Dr. Karishma Ahuja wishing you all the very best. Namaste.